Hi, Namaste. I'm Scarlett and welcome to Asana Fundamentals, and today we're looking at Purvottanasana. Purvottanasana is a stretching of the east side of the body, so the front side of the body. The yogis give the cardinal points to the body as front side is east, back side is the west, top side is the north, and the bottom side down below is south. So in this posture you have a mantra. The mantra is feet together, toes forward, because inevitably what happens is you start to go into the posture and then the feet fall out and you're losing the posture. So it's very important that all of your body is involved in the asana that you're performing, and especially in this case what's happening in the feet is going to impact everything that's going on in the rest of the body. So the feet are together. Bringing the feet together is going to keep this internal rotation through the legs, which is what you want, internally rotating through the legs, and the soles of the feet are open, toes are spreading. So your mantra is feet together, toes forward. And hopefully one day you get down to the point where your feet are flat on the floor. It's not for everybody, but there's a possibility of that happening. So from here, you place your hands behind you. You really have to feel the distance that you need so that when you go up, the shoulders are still above the wrist. So maybe shifting your hips slightly forward until you feel that's going to work for you. So feet are active, inner edges of the feet together, outer edges of the feet pulling back, and the legs, thigh muscles are engaged. This internal rotation is going to help to broaden across the lower back and to release the butt muscles. So as we go up into this posture, we don't want the butt muscles might engage, but you're not clenching the gluteus maximus. You're not clenching your butt muscles at all. The point is to find space and freedom in the body. Clenching your butt muscles is not supporting that. So, legs are active, thigh muscles engaged as always. Draw the lower abdomen in before you start to lift. Hands are pressing into the floor and you spread your fingers, broaden your palms. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart. And then with your mantra, feet together, toes forward, you inhale, coming up, and I like to come up in 2 breaths. So the first inhalation, I keep my chin to the chest. Exhale, pressing into the foundation, pushing the feet forward, and then inhale, very slowly and mindfully, taking the head completely back. And then you hold here for a few breaths, and then when you're ready to, releasing. Really a challenging posture to hold for a long time. So alternatively, you have the tabletop position where you bend your knees, your feet are hip width apart, and this time again with the same action, draw the lower abdomen in, inhale coming up, chin to the chest to begin, exhale, clarify your foundation, pressing into the hands and the feet, and then mindfully inhaling, taking the head up and back. And then to come out of this posture, you inhale, the head comes forward, exhale, release down. I didn't say that on the first posture. So when you're coming out of the posture, it's important to use the inhalation to bring the head forward, because that's going to really help to lift the weight of your head using the power of the breath to very smoothly bring the head forward. So inhale, the head comes forward, exhale, release down. And that is your that is your Purvottanasana. I'll see you again next time for Asana Fundamentals.